You know what? I'm so tired. I am so freaking tired. Not the type of tiredness in I stayed out all night watching TikTok or reading podcast. No. I feel so tired that it's like my soul will leave my body anytime soon. And when I sleep, I feel like my activities, my requirements, my quizzes will hunt me down on my face. And then every day, it feels like it's the same routine. The quizzes, the activities, the deadlines. And then the professor says, manage is easy, you just manage your time. Oh sure, professor, let me manage my quizzes, my requirements, my activities, and my one mental breakdown all in one week. And then the depression. My family constantly asking, constant soon, constant big smoke. They put so much pressure on my shoulder and it feels so heavy. Sometimes I wonder if I ever enough. But then I remember my dream. I remember why I chose this path. To survive, to finish, to make my family proud of me, and to prove myself that all of my struggles are reason for nothing. So yeah, I'm tired, I'm stressed, and I am struggling. But I'm still here. I'm still standing. I'm still fighting. Because maybe being a student isn't because of being perfect. Maybe it's all about surviving. One